And as Akshata said, I on the other side, I had no intention to work because for me, being in Mysore, I'm talking about, which was 35 years ago, as a very small town, didn't have any facility of any employment. That was number one. And number two, since my husband was an entrepreneur, he was traveling. We were in a totally new city where which didn't offer much of anything. So I had to be at home to take care of the industry which was just coming up, and while my husband was traveling, so there was no way that I could even think about going out to work. So it was just not in my mind. This came up. I always would say like a manna from heaven, when my both my children were in school, full day school, and then during the daytime I had time to do something else other than just waiting for them. That's when this came up to me. One of my relative was the professor in the Calgary University, and he offered me this particular project at that time, and I actually didn't know what I was getting into. It was he said, you have the time and you know the language, you just get into it and do it. That's
Just get
about
into
all.
it. Okay.
I got only that to do, and I started off uh, with a positive note that I will be able to do. The first issue was a disaster because I just didn't know what I was doing. But later on, I picked up and I did this for 23 years. I
Wow.
think,
Okay.
yeah, it was an
So you
excellent
managed to
experience.
work from home at a point when it wasn't just the
Exactly. Those days, something called work from home was never known.
didn't exist.
Outsourcing was never known. So I think I
Right.
was one of the first person to be outsourced in India to do the
Wonderful.
work for Calgary University. I'm sure. I mean, 33 years back, the computers were also not there. It was most
Yeah.
of the time I was doing everything manually. That came much later in my work.
So how would you would write the whole thing and then send
So
it off by mail?
I would get it in hard copy from there. It used to be couriered. Courier was just coming up. Courier
Wow.
was also not the way of sending
Okay.
things those days. So
Right.
I used to get these bundles in courier, and I had to edit it, and I was not a single woman army. Right from getting this edited, proofread, then get it printed, then pack it up and send it across. Go to the post office on my own,